Okay, so I just want to talk about a power menu, how to create a power menu in Wofi. Just an easy power menu. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So that's it. That's my design. I want to keep it as minimalistic and simple as possible. Logout, reboot, and shut down. I mean, it looks great. That's all I need. Right, and then obviously you click on it and it will do that action. So let's open my Yazi. I'm just using Yazi now. It's so great. So I made a video about Yazi. You can just check up here. It's a file manager. Like a file manager, basically displaying all your stuff. Right, so where did I go now? Ooh, home. Yeah. Right, so let's go to create it. Obviously, you're going to use that same Wofi folder that you've created before. And if you didn't create it, just create it. So create a Wofi folder in .config, and this will be where all your files will be, your CSS files and your config. So this config and this style CSS is for my wallpaper Wofi menu that I've created. So I'm just going to open that quickly and show you. So I just created a simple Wofi wallpaper changer. So obviously if I click on it, I can select all my wallpaper and then change my wallpaper. So let's change to a darker one like that. Alright, and it will mattigen, so it means it will take the wallpaper color and apply to everything. I've made a video about the Wofi and Rofi, how to create a Wofi and Rofi menu, changing your wallpaper. You can just check it up here as well. Right, so that's that one, but I've created for the power menu, I've created a config.power and a style.widgets.css. So it's for this menu now. Right, so if you just have to create a config.power and just put, the basic settings in there, especially this H align fill and content align center. That will align your text to the center. Otherwise it's left or right aligned, or by default left aligned. I struggled with that one because you would think that you would set it in the style widgets, but it doesn't work in style widgets. Anyway, this is your style widgets CSS for your Wofi power menu. You can just play around in here, changing the colors, the backgrounds, whatever, however you want it to look like. It's just the look and the feel of the menu, but you can just leave it default as well. Right, so this is the two files that you need to create it, and then we can go to the script, obviously. So the script is very simple as well. So there's my wallpaper scripts of Rofi and Wofi, and then Rofi, yeah, it's not, you can save it in .config, your script, just to keep everything neat and tidy, but it is better practice to save how can I say, executables in your local bin. And there it is, PowerMenu.sh. Open that. Right, and it's a very simple script. There's your configuration paths. There's the config.power file and the style widgets.css. Right, and then there's the entry. So logout, reboot, and shutdown. Save it in there. So it depends on what you choose. It will actually then, what you select, it will actually put it in this case and execute the command. So whatever you choose in the menu here, it will then throw it into your case and execute it. So if you press logout, it will terminate user, and obviously the user. This is just a safer way to log out. Right, and then reboot is just reboot and power off is just power off. A very simple script to do that. So let's just exit this quickly. Let's close this. This background picture is a bit low quality. I just slapped it in there just to have a different color. But let's change that quickly. Oh wait, let's use my Wofi. Very simple menus, but I mean they work. Let's see how it would look on that one. Right, so open it. It's a bit light, but I wanted this to be quite transparent and so on. Still looks good. I can't even see the selection bar now. I'll make it a bit darker, but usually my background is usually darker. I just took this one from Hyprland, which is another video I made about pre-installed Hyprland theme and application. So it's a complete environment where everything is installed. It changes your background. It takes the sample colors of the background and changes your theme, all built in with whatever that guy programmed into Hyprland. So it doesn't use Matagen and SWWW. Very cool project, so you can check it out here. Right, so let's just log out just to see if this is working. So I can literally just double click on it. Okay, there's the logout. So let's just log in again. And there it is. So pretty cool, I would say. Let's just change the background again to, yeah, let's just go that one. So it looks here. Still a bit light. I can probably go a bit darker. That is a bit light, I must say. Let's change it to that one. Okay, this is a bit light, but yeah, I like the simplicity of it. It looks nice and sleek and perfect. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. That is the power menu in Wofi. So yeah, Wofi is pretty cool. You can use Wofi, but I'm not gonna bother now with Wofi. Most people are using Wofi, but I'm just using the default application that came with Arch Hyprland, and it's great. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, tell me what other things you are doing in Hyprland. Good.